Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to view Instagram Reels history. So if you want to view your Instagram Reels history, you have to open up your Instagram app on your phone. So once you open it, you have something like this on your home page, then you tap on your Reels.
After you've been with someone for
so now once you tap on it, then you have access to a particular video. Then if you want to add it to your reel history, just make sure you like the video. Then this will give you access to have the video watched again after you close your Instagram. So let's just say like I want to close this Instagram now, then I have it closed. Then I'll just go back again and open it. You can see I can no longer have access to the same reels again. So for me to do that, I have to tap on my profile icon and go to the display line icon. Then under the settings and activities, I'll tap on your activities. Then that will give me access to the last reels I watch, and if I can have access to it also, because there's no specific option for me to watch my last reels, so I can only have access to that by just simply like a reels or comment on a reel. So there's particular reels that I liked, I just go back to it and have access to the numbers of reels that I have liked. Then I can rewatch them again. And this is the last one. This is the last
every relationship.
This is the last reels I watch, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.